Hi goddesses, so welcome to this video. We are starting off with a crusty dusty bun that I've had in for about like 2 weeks. Okay, you can see all the dirt in my hair and ignore the beady beads in the back of my neck, but this is a close-up of my hair and it is time to wash it down. So first and foremost, we are going to start with the pre-poo, and let me sit here and tell you goddesses something. If you want length retention, you should never work on dry hair. I saw a video not too long ago of this little boy and his mom was combing his hair out on dry hair and he was crying. The reason he's crying is because you're doing it on dry hair. Anyway, with that being said, I make sure to really spray down my hair, and then I am going to separate it. And it's easy to separate your hair when it is wet. And then I am going in with the avocado and coconut water pre-poo, always starting at the ends, because you know why. It's because it's the oldest part of our hair. So then of course I go up the shaft of my hair and you can literally see the curls are starting to pop. Isn't that a beautiful thing to see? Okay, hydration and moisturizing is really important for our hair type, especially for type 4 hair. Our hair is very delicate, and I don't think a lot of people know that, but our hair is extremely delicate, okay? So then here, my hair is completely fully done. Another thing that I want to mention as well, someone was coming for me in one of my shorts talking about I only have type 4B hair. Please understand that natural hair is multiple different textures. In the front of my hair is more 4C, and in the back of my hair is more 4B. You can see more of the definition. I don't know what is going on with people. Our hair can be multiple textures, and you can see it here. Look at the back texture and look at the front, the lack of texture. It's 4C in the front. But here's a little, hair spin or whip, whipping my hair back and forth. But yeah, that is the shedding that I got from just doing this. And here we are going to put it in 2 buns, because we are going to let this sit in my hair and marinate for a little while, for about 15 minutes. And then from here, we're gonna jump in the shower. Now, I just created this setup where I have a stool or like a seat in the shower, and I got shower filter, okay? I think this is really important to your natural hair journey. It is literally a new shower filter, and I got this all off of Amazon. So we're rinsing out all of the pre-poo, and then we are going to go in with the Keratin Chi shampoo. So goddesses, I definitely want you to look into keratin. I have been doing my keratin shampoo for a couple months now, and I see a huge drastic change to the strength of my hair. And I do not separate my hair when I am shampooing it, because I want to make sure I lather it all the way to the ends of my hair and then rinsing it out. And then we go in with a moisturizing shampoo. Like I stated earlier, how our hair needs moisture. We need to spray it. We need to it needs moisture. That's why I come in with, after clarifying my hair with the Chi and stripping my hair, I go in with moisture to bringing nutrition in my hair. And then I use this comb to comb and get the the dirt and grime out of the scalp. And I want to sit here and say, using a shower filter that filters the water, I'm telling you goddesses, it is going to change the game of your hair. My hair feels so much more healthier and so much cleaner. I promise you that $50 investment is worth it. And then we're going in with a keratin mask. I think I got this all from Marshall's, except for the Cream of Nature moisturizing shampoo. And I just want to sit here and say, when it comes to using a deep conditioner, I section my hair and I use water instead of adding more product, because most of the time you just need more water, not more product. But with that being said, for this part, I then go into sectioning my hair, okay? So I want to make this clear. Our hair is very delicate. So always start at the ends of the hair. And I also use a wide tooth comb because I really don't want to create unnecessary like breakage. And I feel like my hair works best and it's a lot more thicker when I use wide tooth combs. And as you can see here, I'm able to glide my comb through because I took my time to combing my hair. And then we're gonna go ahead and twist it up. I want to make this clear, take your time when you are combing your hair, okay? We don't want unnecessary breakage. So then from here, I take out all the twists and I go in and I comb all the way through. But as you can see, I'm able to glide through my hair like butter. So one of the things that I really want to make clear, if you are using a mask that you cannot comb your hair through, there's two things. Either the mask is not working for your hair or you need to trim your hair. Okay, those are the only two reasons the mask is like you're not able to comb through your hair. If you have a mask in, you should always be able to comb through your hair if you're using a deep conditioner or a mask. So here I'm going to put it up. That's how much shedding I lost. And also because I have been using keratin on my hair, I don't lose a lot of hair anymore like I used to, or shed as much as I used to, I should say. So, and it's so much easier to clean my shower with a detachment head. So anyway, we are putting on a plastic bag on our head because we are going to be sitting under our hooded dryer for 30 minutes, okay? So after that 30 minutes, this is my hair, and we're gonna go into the shower and we're gonna rinse it out. So here we are out of the shower. These are all the products that I'm going to be using for my blowout. And this is also homemade mango butter. These are the blow dryers that I'm going to use. This is a blow dryer with bristles in it from Golden something, and then my Revlon brush that I've had for 5 years. So as I'm doing this, I am watching Bates Motel, and I watched this back in 2013, but it stopped at like season 3, and then I recently learned that there's like 5 seasons and they finished. So I'm watching this as I do my hair. So this is what my hair is looking like out of the shower. So we're gonna go in with Miel's avocado like cream. And I just want to sit here and say, like, I know there's a lot of controversy around like Miel, but I bought these products from like 2 years ago and I have never had any issues with my hair. So I do know the rosemary line a lot of people were having issues with, and I'm using the Miel thermal like spray heat protectant. But anyway, I haven't had any issues with using Miel. So one of the biggest things that I do is make sure to part my hair as I'm putting these products through because I want to get every strand. And now I'm going in with the mango butter, and I want to make this clear that mango butter is like lightweight compared to shea butter. And then I go in with the serum while my hair is damp. I like to put in serum while my hair is damp, and really, like I said, go through, part it, and really, you know, put it through my hair. So as I'm doing my hair, you will literally see me making faces because the show was crazy. It is such a good show. I think it's like based off of Psycho, like the movie, from like, I think the 60s or 50s. So then here we are with the Revlon blush. So I have it on low heat, okay, and I stretch my hair as you can see here. The reason that I do this is because it makes it easier for me to like actually comb through my hair. I don't like to do it when it's like shrunken. And then I put it on cool and I brush through. And I do this before I go in with the second brush because this is also like my first time doing this method, and y'all will see the results. Oh my god, it's the best results ever. So then here is the second brush. This is a brush for texturized hair, by the way. I don't know why I never invested or looked into texturized brushes. But yeah, this is a great brush for type 4 hair. Now it is a round brush, and I'm gonna sit here and tell y'all, like, this is the second time that I have used this, and it is a little bit of a learning curve. When I first used this, I literally had a cramp because it was hard. But the second time using this, I think I have a really good handle on doing it. And also, I want to sit here and say, my ends have never been this straight after a blowout. Do you see those ends? Oh my god, y'all. I could not believe how straight my hair is after a blowout. Okay, I have been natural for 10 years and this is unheard of. So with that all being said, like, definitely invest in a texturized brush, y'all. Like, I love my Revlon brush, that's why I still use it. But this brush, I think I got it from Golden Hot or something like that, off of Amazon. So this is like after the blowout. So then I'm going in on high heat, okay, because I did it on low heat first and going back and forth to from cool too. But here we are, I'm combing it through on the high heat. And do y'all see the results? Like, I'm really shocked on how good this blowout came out. The thickness, I can tell my hair has gotten so much thicker. So if you are new here, I am Audie, and subscribe. Subscribe, join the goddess community, especially if you are someone that is on a natural hair journey. You need to subscribe and come along on the journey. On top of that, here's a little, you know, slow-mo, me being dramatic. But also check out my hair growth plan video so you can see, like, how my hair got here. Like, seriously. Like, I've been doing this for 10 years. So anyway, with that being said, goddesses, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, comment down below. And again, don't forget to subscribe and come enjoy the goddess community. With that being said, I will catch you goddesses in the next video. Bye-bye.